Yo, what's up?
Okay, so now we are in Segara beach area in Sanur. We've got so many requests asking that to showing this Segara beach village and how it is. And luckily that nowadays beach is open in Sanur. So let's see how it's the life here.
At the front of the Sagara seaside bite restaurant. Now it's some construction over here, some renovation. I think over there where is the sun was the playground, and now they're moving the playground actually inside the building over here. So that's what it look like. Yeah, we're gonna show you.
No concrete, and then will be child-friendly playground. Like facing to the beachfront.
Yeah.
And now we can see that from the beach. Let's go to the beach. Okay, so before when the lockdown, that the small businesses, like lumpia sellers and then the floaty sellers were closed. Now, bit by bit, that like the business is bouncing back slowly.
So that's what looks the morning in Sanur Beach, Sindu area. Also somebody meditate here, and also at the front is famous Grantina Hotel, this big building. If somebody is not familiar with the Sanur area, one of the oldest hotel in Sanur. Also very interesting fact is the Sanur is the first city in Sanur where the tourism arrived. So basically this hotel, Grand Ina in 1970, was already established, and at that time in Kuta was just the village. I mean, was nothing, like a fisherman village, and small roads and few local people was living around. So Sanur is just a little bit older than the other parts of tourist destinations in Bali.
Yeah,
and also one hotel what we passed on the way was established in 1957. We'll show you maybe later. So
yeah, right behind us, that is Grand Ina Beach or Hotel Beach. It's actually the first five-star hotel that
five-star
in Bali.
hotel, yeah.
So,
and the
yeah.
huge one, like a commercial one, right?
It's called Sanur in the morning. Oh, just have a sun bathing. Gonna have a good time in Sanur. Honey, look at your shirt. You have a beautiful shirt.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, very nice.
Bali, stay strong.
Who made it for you, the design? I really love it.
The design is made by the Mick Everett. That's the only small thing what I can say thank you to you, mate. Is working in Australia, and he have a design company, and he also designed our thumbnail. So one more time I would like to say big thumb up for you, mate, and thank you for the t-shirt. It's really cool. I like it.
After walking and I feel hungry, and then I think it's breakfast time. I wanna have the famous Nasi Champur menweti over there. Look at this, so many people.
So entrance to the beach, and over here there are some warungs, and as you see it's quite many people walking around and many motorbikes around, because this is famous Nasi Bali Made Veti, and Winnie already trying to get herself portion of tasty famous nasi in Bali. And meanwhile that's what it look like, people enjoying their food and in general situation in Sindu Beach, Sanur today.
So this is how the Nasi Champur, they make it like this, so good. And this warung actually very legendary warung, starting from old time and still exists till now. Okay, so this is my food, the breakfast. You see this one portion costs you 30k, with the chicken, and then with the vegetable, and then with the sambal. So good.
Smacznego. Are we ready?
Okay, put your mask on, otherwise that you will get fined later on if you are not wearing mask. I know that on the beach, but you still have to wear your mask.
1 million the fine currently. So anyway, how was your food?
Oh my goodness, it's so good.
Just be careful because of the bikers will crash into you.
Okay, so yeah, this is how it is.
Be careful, one more.
Sanur. Everything is like slowly bouncing back, like warungs open.
Slowly, but it's bouncing back. Oh, I
We
need
have
it.
a breakfast. So nice, it's nice food, This I remember what the first time I bought is around 10k per portion, but now, you know, changing bit by bit into 30k per portion.
So it's
Because
actually
it's famous.
it's famous and it's
And
not
nice.
actually really cheap, but it's very nice. Just realized this is the hotel what I was saying, Segara Village Hotel Sanur Bali, a family owned since 1957. Can you imagine? Yo, what's up? A to nie do mnie. He didn't wave to me actually, but it's okay. And some promo cocktail, but not at morning.
Yeah,
Anyway.
till the 17th.
We're not drinking alcohol anyway, so doesn't really matter. But for you guys, if you're interested, also here Aperol and stuff like this. That's how it looks, the situation. The hotel is under the construction already for 1 year, over 1 year at least, and they make a restaurant temporarily over here. So that's how it looks like. Wonder how it's gonna look like when they finish.
Okay, I think that I remember that last time when we were here that we had coffee.
With swatter.
Yeah, and now it is just like changed like it is. Wow. And it's also the brand new restaurant. I think it's just brand new restaurant. So nice.
Tutsi. I'm not sure if this new or not, but looks refreshed. I could say it looks refreshed. And this is also the market, the Sindhu market. Not the traditional market with the food, but this one is with the shopping stroll basically, with the accessories, clothes, stuff like this. And at the front is a famous Luhtu cafe. Also, many of you familiar with the area. Many of you missing this place. I had a breakfast like 2 months ago or something like that. Last time over here, so that's what it looked like. Not so busy, not so quiet. However, it's open, so it's the very good sign. And they also have a petrol's coffee station. That's also funny. Looks cool. Yo, what's up, doggo? Unfortunately, some shops, actually here all the shops, the clothes shops are closed. There is the entrance to the Sindhu hotel. Yeah, it's bouncing back, but very slowly I could say. It's not really like wow, it's open and everything is busy, no, but slowly.
Yeah, I think that based on the rules that the shop that can be open is the restaurant only with the limited dining restriction. You can dine in, so the rest of the shop that has to be closed. And yeah, the restaurant by the beach basically that they open. And yeah, people just go to the beach then.
Yeah, and this is the Sindhu hotel, also very old hotel. I'm not sure in which year was established, but one of the oldest hotel also in Sanur area. And this is the morning walk into the Sanur promenade. I think you can call this Sanur promenade. It's not 100% promenade, but a nice place to walk around. And yeah, everywhere some promo, breakfast promo. Last time was so many kids here playing on the phones, but not today. I don't know where they are. Just met a lovely couple.
So we just met a lovely couple from Poland, and Damian finally can speak Polish again to this lovely couple.
Very funny, by the way.
Yeah, so they just retired in Sanur, living in Sanur. So yeah, this is how it is.
And meanwhile, this is the famous Sol on the Beach, I think, or something like this. Yeah, Sol on the Beach.
Yeah, so now we are walking to the south of the Sindhu market. I mean to Sindhu beach. And yeah, you know, like the vibe here is like, yeah, people like going to the beach, going to, what is it, have an exercise, walking, running.
And it's going to be hot, by the way. Hot.
It's very
hot.
nice.
And then some other wing of the Sindhu market over here. And there are some clothes. Sorry. Bikers everywhere. So many people driving a bicycle, by the way, nowadays in Sanur. Have to be very careful. And yeah, you wanna buy some dress? No?
Alright guys, so yeah, we met a beautiful couple from Holland and from Germany, right? They are very nice and they used to live here already for 13 years. Okay, yeah, I think that's all our video today from Sanur. We already had a breakfast, morning walk, and life is slowly bouncing back to normal. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!